Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about triple integral and we need to use about cylindrical coordinate. So now I want to show you how to answer. A solid object E occupies the region inside the cylinder. S squared plus y squared equals to number 1. Upon the plane Z equals to number 0. Below the cone, yes, Z squared equals to 4x squared plus 4y squared. So now I want to show you how to answer. Here is about the figure in here. So we know that the cone that is about the red color. So we have z squared equals to 4x squared plus 4y squared. Here is about the cone in here. Z equals to number 0. This is about the plane. We oppose the plane, and this is about the blue color in here. And the green one, that's about cylinder in here. So this cylinder between the red one and the green one. So we need to find the volume of this one in here. Upon the plane Z equals to number 0. Now we need to concentrate on this one. Now we put the square root for the both sides. Because we oppose the plane Z equals to number 0, that means Z should be about positive number. So in this situation, we just select about the positive with the square root. Number 4 and number 4, we can do about factorization. The square root of number 4, we have number 2. And now we can find the bounds of dz. So upon the plane Z equals to number 0. So number 0 in the bottom in here. And the top, that is about this one. Now let's go to dy. So we concentrate on this one. So I will put s squared go to the right. So on the figure in here, we have the circle in here. Now, because we want to find the hold the volume of the object, that means we will select about the positive square root of the circle and negative square root of the circle in here. So if we put the square root for the both sides, we have y equals to positive and negative of the square root of 1 minus s squared. So dy that is about this one. And the last one, that is about the x. So when we have the circle in here, that is about number 1. So we write about this circle in here. So we have number 1, negative number 1, negative number 1. The center of this circle, that is about 0, 0. Radius is about number 1. So we see that the bounds of the S, they should from negative number 1 to positive number 1. And now we need to calculate about these triple integrals. So we calculate about dz, the integration of dz, you got about z. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 2 with the square root of s squared plus y squared. So dy dx, I will put this one in here. And now we put this one go in here, number 0 go in here. So this one we simplify and we have like this. Now the next one we need to use about cylindrical coordinates. So we need to use about s equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta, dy dx equals to r dr d theta. We have s squared plus y squared. So we put this one and this one go in here. And we have r squared cosine theta squared plus r squared sine theta squared. And we have r squared and r squared. We can do about factorization. And this one equals to number 1. Now we see that we have this circle in here. So in this one we concentrate on the circle in here. And now we need to change everything in here. So s squared plus y squared equals to r squared in here. Next, dy dx we change by r dr d theta. So about dr, that is about the radius of the circle from 0 to number 1. About d theta, we go in here, one circle in here, and that is about 2b. We use about trigonometric circle. So that is from 0 to 2b. And now we need to calculate about this one. R square and R, we have R to the power of 3 dr d theta. So the integration of R to the power of 3, we have R to the power of 4 over 4, and we need to put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So I will put number 1 cone here, number 0 cone here. So we have 1 over 2. And now we have the final answer. And that is about B. This is the end. Thank you for watching.